How would you like to save some time every day? Well, in today's AI for real life, we have 7 AI tips that will save you 30 to 60 minutes every day. Wow, can AI really do that for me? Yes, it can. That's one of the things I love about artificial intelligence is just how much time it saves me in my business and in my daily life. And we're here to show you 7 ways that you can use it today to save 30 to 60 minutes. I am John Turner. I am your host of AI for Real Life. This is where we break down AI. We make it simple for you. This is really right now geared towards beginners. We are building on this program, but really wanted to introduce those to AI that are a little bit nervous about it, don't know how to use it, don't know where to get started. So we've been bringing you this information. And if that's something that interests you, please make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure to comment. But let's jump on into it. Let's see how we can save you some time here. We're going to go to my favorite AI tool, which is ChatGPT. It's the one I use most of all. If you want to know the differences between the different types of AI, we've covered a few of them so far in some previous episodes, and you're more than welcome to look at those and where we've compared ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, and Canva also. And you can look at those and see which one you might want to use. But for today, we're going to give you 7 tips. And I've just put them here in a easy Google document. We will put these in the comments below as well. But tip number 1, have it help you rewrite emails. If you're trying to think of how to word, some of you write beautifully. You will see my typing skills are not the best. And the way I word things sometimes is not the best either. So I like help rewriting my emails. Also, summarizing long messages. If you've got a really long email or a really long whatever and you don't understand it, or you're just like, I want the bullet points, just stick it in here. You'll summarize just like that. You can also take bullet points if you've got certain ideas and you can turn them into paragraphs, which will help you if you're trying to write something. Create checklist. And this is for anything. If it's a packing checklist, I have actually, humble brag here, completed several full Ironman distant races. And, I always like to have a checklist of everything I've got to take to those races. Well, this helps me create the checklist, helps remind me of everything that I may need. It prompts me and says, hey, on this list, you don't have this. Don't you think you need this? So it's pretty good there. Brainstorm ideas. I love using ChatGPT to brainstorm. I've been brainstorming a lot. I come up with ideas. I'm like, okay, can you give me some ideas around this? Or I've got this idea. What questions do I need to be asking? What have you been seeing lately? It's kind of amazing some of the answers you'll get. And then also learn something quickly. So you can use it not only like just a regular internet search, but it can give you some deeper information. So what I would like to do is I'm going to take part of this right here. Let me see. I don't want to, I've already got something copied here. So what I'm going to do is I've got a longer email. So what I'm going to do, and I've got it already saved on my desktop here, but SUMA summarize this email into, I'm going to say 6 bullet points or less. This is one of my mortgage friends who sends me an email. It's a great email, but I thought it was a good example of what I can use here. So I've already copied it, so I'm just going to paste it right here. No, I'm not either. All right, so I will have to go back to my mail. Kind of messed up there. So go right here, and I'm just going to copy Marty's email here. Marty, give you a little bit of publicity here. He's a great mortgage officer. So if you're looking to get a mortgage, this guy can certainly take care of you. And I know he could do it in Tennessee. I don't know where else. And now I'm struggling to copy this. So my computer is not being as kind to me as I want here. Let's try it one more time. So I appreciate y'all bearing with me, no matter how many times I try to have this all set up. Sometimes it's just not set up right. So I'm just going to paste that in there. I want his email into 6 bullet points or less. Let's see what happens here. Simple 4-word phrase, tell me your story. It quickly builds trust, deepens conversations. Using this early with new leads, referrals, and consultation appointments help people open up beyond surface level. See the bullet points? It talks about labor market data, okay? This is everything in his email, just bullet pointed out. So that is a way that you can use this to make it easier and save you 30 to 60 minutes in your day. Now, what I want to do is I want to come back here and I want to, tip number 3 is turn bullets into paragraphs. So I'm going to say, turn these bullet points into, I'm just going to say friendly, easy to read paragraphs. And I believe it should be able to take those bullet points right there without having me copy and paste these because it's all within the same chat. And so here we are right here. It's talking about the first bullet point. The phrase, tell me your story, is a simple but powerful way to build trust quickly. When you see it, it expands upon this. So now I've got this nice article based upon these bullet points right here. See how quick that was? Now, you always want to proofread. AI is not 100% foolproof, so please always proofread. But I would rather come through here and proofread this and change a few things versus having to rewrite everything. So that's a couple of ways you can use it. Another thing, give me 10 ideas for, and let's put that in here. Now, I like to start a new chat when we're on something else. I think it's just better going to whenever you're going to a new topic to start a new chat. You don't necessarily have to, but I'm going to say, what did I write down there? Give me 10 ideas for, all right, so give me 10 ideas for, I don't know, things to do with the kids on a rainy Saturday. Okay. Now, I could tell it where I live and it would pull more stuff from the local area. But right now, we're just going to use this very generic and see what it comes up with. Enjoy treasure hunt. Build your own pizza lunch. Blanket fort movie theater. See, so these are all things right here that we could do. We say, well, we really want to get out of the house. I don't know. I live in, we'll say Tempe, Arizona. I don't live there, but anyway, I want to see what it comes up with. Okay. So now it brings, because I gave it a little better prompt, now it's like, hey, look at all these things to do in the Tempe area right here. And it gives me these ideas. So that right there, that's your 7 tips to save 30 to 60 minutes a day. It's just amazing. That's one of the great things I love about AI is the time savings. Among anything else, the time savings, and really I'd say the brainstorming too. I really like the brainstorming aspect of it as well. But everybody's going to use AI for something a little different. But hopefully you've enjoyed the 7 AI tips that will save you 30 to 60 minutes a day. This has been AI for Real Life. I am John Turner, your host, who brings this to you. If you've gotten something out of it, please subscribe. Please comment. Ask any questions. Please put down below any topics you'd like to see us cover. And we hope to see you next time. Thank you.